Finally, the system you want has the power you need. ThinkPad P1. Workstation power. Thin and light design. The first mobile workstation with the ability to amaze you with what it can do and how it looks. To do this, we created a new premium design featuring a seamless keyboard, glass touchpad, blackout logos, along with a deeper black chassis. Living up to the ThinkPad legacy of quality and durability, the P1 is mil-spec tested and utilizes dual fan flex performance cooling. It is thin, light, strong, and cool. But what separates the ThinkPad P1 from other mobile workstations is its ability to perform. Featuring Intel Xeon mobile processors, 64 gigabytes of memory, the NVIDIA Quadro P2000 professional graphics, and 4 terabytes of PCIe storage, the ThinkPad P1 is not only ISV certified, it is optimized for maximum productivity, letting your work come to life on a stunning 15-inch 4K display. The system you want now has the power you need. The ThinkPad P1 mobile workstation from Lenovo.